Hi, my name is Ruben Alves. I'm from Robotics Academy, and today we are going to see what is robot namespace and how to use it in ROS namespaces. So for that, I'm going to start here a course ROS Basics in 5 days in this platform, which is the best one if you wanted to learn ROS really fast. And in order to better understand the namespace concept, I think it's good to create a publisher. So we are going to do that right now. Let's wait until the shell loads here, and here we have it. Let's enter here on our Catkin workspace, and I'm going to create here a package, Catkin create package called tutorial, which depends on rospy and geometry messages. Okay, let's enter here on the tutorial source folder, and let's create here a file called robot.py, which should have appeared here. Okay, and let's suppose our robot publishes a position. So let's create here, it's a Python file, so UOS RB env Python. Let's import rospy, and also from geometry messages import pose. Let's initialize our node, init load, let's call robot, and let's say our robot publishes the position. So rospy.Publisher in a topic, let's call my position, and it publishes a pose and size 1. Let's publish one message per second, so rate equals rospy.Rate 1, which is 1 hertz, and let's publish our message. So while not rospy is shut down, then let's publish our message, publisher, a new pose, empty pose, because it's just for it's going to serve for this tutorial. So rate.sleep. Okay, this code, what we have a node called robot which publishes my position. If you run this node, this file needs to be executable, so chmod plus x. Let's run here our Catkin workspace, devel, setup.bash to make sure our let's also do the same in the another shell, just to make sure our file is going to be found. If we just run rosrun, ROS topic list, we are going to see that we don't have any, let me close this, we don't have at the moment any topic called my position. If you see here position, we don't have any. But if you run our node rosrun, the tutorial package we just created here, and the file robot.py, and if you check here again the ROS topic list, grab my position, now we have it. This is good, Now supposing that this is a robot which publishes its position, we can know the position of the robot. But let me define this anonymous, so we can have two nodes with the same name. Now let's suppose I have another robot, because I have already one robot running which publishes on my robot position. But imagine if I have a second robot. Let's run rosrun tutorial and robot.py, and if you check here, we still have a single topic with ROS topic info. We can see that there are two robots, publisher 1 and this second, two publishers publishing on the same topic. So imagine if I want to know the position of the robot 1, how would I know that I'm referring to the robot position, the robot number 1 or robot number 2. So in order to solve this, we have the namespaces. The namespaces allow us to give a namespace for the topics. If you're running with rosrun, you just need this parameter underscore ns equals and the namespace. Let's call this robot1, and this second node, let's call namespace equals robot2. If checking here the list of topics again, named my position, now you can see that we have a robot1 my position and a robot2 my position. So If you want to know the position of robot 1, you are going to listen to this topic. If you want to see the position of robot 2, this topic. Much easier, no? Than trying to find when both topics, both nodes are publishing on the same topic. So this is the video for today, guys. I hope you like it. If so, please give us a thumbs up and press the bell for a new video every single day. Thanks for watching.